Welcome to SciTech Prelude channel. This video shows you how to fix KitchenAid dishwasher diverter seal leaking problem. A small DIY project could save you $100. When you see the water leaking down the dishwasher bottom, right above diverter motor, it is probably the problem of diverter shaft seal grommet gasket damage or aging. Look at the gasket, you can see the cracks around the seal edge. A simple solution: go to Amazon store, search for Grommet Guru, select the dishwasher diverter valve motor seal grommet gasket replacement part for W10195677. Remove the filter kit from the dishwasher sump base. Take out the water shaft. Use an easy pick and hook tool to take off the old grommet gasket seal from the sump house. Gently push and insert the new grommet gasket seal into house. Put the water shaft and filter kit back to the sump base. Put the water spray arm back.